finally got you on the vlog too. Got both of y'all in there. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. What we're doing today?
What's it called? Car Meet?
Yeah, just say Car Meet.
Car Meet?
It's kind of weird. The name is PPC.
PPC?
Yeah, park, place, chill. This will be my first time going to it. I didn't go to the first one because I had work, but oh well, it's gonna be lit. Hell yeah, should have brought the Honda, man.
Huh?
Should have brought.
Honda's out of service, bro.
Man. Alright, almost ready. Can you get out new wheels? Yay!
Well, I was asking.
Can you see the wheels on there?
Boy, you gonna get your
Those are the ones on.
brother clean.
Damn, dude. Oh, damn.
Sheesh.
Yeah, it is.
You off today, Fernando?
So what?
You off today?
Yeah.
Hey, this boy a bags. Boy, you ain't even driving.
No, I'm gonna take.
Oh. They're good. This one got a nasty cam. Oh yeah. Oh, Skyline?
Yeah, it's a 33. Bro, that guy's got beat kit, bro.
Okay. Oh my god. Ooh. Yo, the yeah.
It's, you guys watch Eliminate? It's the same color as that R34.
Where are you?
Yeah, it's the exact
Oh, yeah?
same color. Yeah.
I don't know. I know this Antiquity's fast as fuck. Let's make it 7.
I wish the front pieces were.
Oh, CRX?
CRX, babe.
Is it for the vlog?
Yep.
Welcome to school with those kids.
Teggy. Oh my goodness. Dude. I'm tired. We're sweaty as fuck, dude. We're sweating bad.
He's sweaty.
I'm about to get there.
Someone's in the middle. Fuck this. Let's fucking get it.
And we're just chilling at Ashley's.
Yo, man, welcome back to another vlog, man. Today, we had a very good time with everyone here. Sorry, make fun of my list, but I'm gonna break that sucker.
What's up, fool?
It's been a good night with everyone, you know.
What's up, fool?
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Hey, man. What's up, fool?
But this is basically the car meet after the car meet. And we want to go eat at B-Dubs and record it. We're doing some dumb shit. Huh?
I'll say, I thought we were going.
Yeah.
He's like chasing that Mustang.
Oh, shit.
Lights, camera, action.
And
Oh, shit. He got him.
3, 2, 1. Oh, he won a race, actually.
he went around the Mustang. Oh, shit.
Oh, I think he's in it. Oh. Hey, you might want to get this for your final. Hey,
Hey, but nah, jit,
Alright. Oh, another one. Oh. That nigga has balls.
I actually thought that car was gonna point him over.
Dude.
Can you get that guy?
So much shit. That's an auto Z.
I'm calling the police.
Jit tripping.
Bro. Hey, man. Stop doing that shit. Hey, what's up, fool? You're not cool, man. Hey, man, I think you got it good.
God, y'all goofy. I didn't fucking zoom up. I'm dumb.
Why do people do that?
Alright. We'll fucking end the vlog. Alright, say bye, guys.
Bye, dudes.
Bye, dudes.